about the future.
Itua ria thirikari ria kugathika magoti makiria mendekithia-ini ma watho wa kigina ma mwaka wa 2024 ni undu urarakite muingi ikundi imwe hamwe na mwena wa mung'ethaniro no miario ya president ndironania ta thirikari ina mubango wothe wa kwiricukwo kana kurora weru mendekithia maya.
And just to assure you that
Heroine na arutwo a thukuru wa Harvard thingira-ini wa iregi, President Ruto augite itanya ria thirikari ni kwambatiria magoti kuma gicunji kia 14 nginya 16 mwaka uyu na itena ria keri giuka kuinikirira akorwo ambatiritie gicunji giki gatagata-ini ka 20 nginya 22.
possibly this year we will be at 16% from 14%. I want in my term, God willing, to leave it at between 20 and 22%. It's going to be difficult. I have a lot of explaining to do. People will complain, but I know finally they will appreciate.
Agitetera itua riri Ruto ugite moguni maria mekumana na ikinya riri ni maingi makiria agikinyiriria ino noyo njira ya gutigirira bururi rirahuthira besha na njira itari na kihariro.
We have to cut our spending, and there is no free lunch. And we have to think of what we need to do two fundamental things. Reduce. We cannot spend what we don't have.
Ruto no arigithanitie gikiro kia magoti gia bururi wa Kenya na mabũrũri mangi gitaro-ini kia Africa akiuga magoti mamwe ma mabũrũri maya marugamire gicunji kia 22 nginya 25.
Kenyans have been socialized to believe that they pay the highest taxes. But empirical data shows Kenya as of last year, our tax as a percentage of our revenues was 14%. Our peers in the continent is on average between 22 and 25%, which means we are way below, and I'm not comparing ourselves with OECD countries. Countries like France are at 45%.
Imwe cia indo iria mendekithia ma watho wa kigina ma mwaka wa 2024 marendekithia kugathika magoti ni mugatene gicunji gia 16 na oho igoti ria ngari ria gicunji kia 2.5 ria o mwaka.
When I came into office, I told everybody, tighten up your belts. I am not going to preside over a bankrupt country.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.
Into Harvard. I designed the first 2 courses on Africa